Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to draw an atom in Affinity. So let's get started. I have my canvas ready now. I'll grab the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. For this ellipse, I remove the fill color, change the stroke color to dark purple, and set the stroke width to 10 point. Then I'll get the move tool and align it to center. I'll also go to the stroke panel and check the scale with object option. So whenever we resize the shape, the stroke width scales along with it. Now I'll duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J, then rotate it 60 degrees. Then I'm gonna duplicate another one by pressing Ctrl J again, and I've got the orbits ready. After that, I'll get the ellipse tool again and draw a small perfect circle. This will be the proton. I'll change the fill color to blue, remove the stroke color, then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J twice. So we end up with 3 protons in total. Now I'll select all 3 protons and duplicate all 3 by pressing Ctrl J. I'll change their colors to orange, and this will be our neutrons. Now let's arrange them. Then I'll move them to center. Alright, now we've got our protons and neutrons. I'll add another circle around all of them, change the fill color to none, and change the stroke to green. I'll resize it a bit and move it to center. And that's our nucleus. Next, I'm gonna switch to the move tool, and I'm gonna copy one of these protons or neutrons by pressing Alt and dragging it out. This is going to be the electron. I'll change the color to red and move it onto one of the orbits. I'll copy another one and move it to another orbit. Then copy once more and place it on the third orbit. And now we've got our electrons and our atom is complete. Now if I want to turn this into an icon, something I can scale down really small and still looks good, I'll remove the protons and neutrons, leaving just the nucleus. Then set the fill color to green, remove the stroke, and scale it down a little. Then I'll increase the size of the electrons, select all 3 of them, scale it up, and move them back to their orbits. And there you go. Here's our atom icon. I can scale it down really small, and it still looks great. And that's all for this tutorial on how to draw an atom. I hope you had fun with it and learned something new. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.